Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I know I did. As you guys know, I went to a crop or retreat, call it what you want, but it was a getaway for us. 14 of us, believe it or not, and we had a fabulous time. I did lots of I got lots of things done, lots of cards. I made some Valentine hanging hearts. I guess that's what I'll call them. I played with my Cricut. I made some flowers. I did lots of things. What I want to show you now is two of the cards that I made and one of the hanging heart signs. I don't know what to call this. Hanging heart sign. That's what we'll call it. So we'll start with that. So I picked up from Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago these sticky heart chipboard heart shapes. They're like a heavy chipboard. And what you do is you can peel off this yellow paper and you can stick jammies. You can see the example they use here and then create this glittered beautiful heart. I was looking for this perfect size and I wanted chipboard, so I decided to use them. And what I did was I took two. They came with, oh my God, 24. So I took two and glued them together. Simply just peeling off the yellow and then, peeling off the yellow on this one and then getting it perfectly even and gluing it down. So now it was pretty sturdy. You can see how thick it is there. I wanted to make some hanging signs. I had an inspiration on Pinterest. So I used the paper pad Simple Stories Happy Hearts. I had ordered this from an Instagrammer. I ordered the puffy stickers, the foam stickers, and the sticker sheet. And then it came with this 6x8 paper pad. And I use this sheet right here. If I can find it. It is double-sided. That's even cooler. I use this sheet here just with a bunch of labels on it, and I made this heart sign here. So this is what I'm going to gift to some friends at work, and I put this rusty metal kind of hanging sign. I picked these up on Amazon. These are the same metal hanging wire that I used when we created the what are those things? The rabbits and the carrots that Anna White shared with us when we made those. So same thing, same wire. It was pretty rusty, so I kind of wiped it off really good. And I just did some like wire wrapping here. But yeah, that's the sign there. I just laid it on top of the paper and cut it out. And did some Prima flowers and some Dollar Tree flowers and some I Am roses. And this is I got glue here. This is a white leaf chipboard piece. And then the love word here is from the foam stickers from the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection. So along with these two hearts here, the eyelets are shaped like hearts. So I just punched them, set them, and then included the wire so that they can hang it from their desk. So I thought it came out really, 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 really cute, just kind of as I imagined. So that was one project I made, and I made about 6 more, but I'll just show you this one for now. And then I use the Lucky Us ephemera pack, which comes with some really, I love the low tones of these pinks and reds. Lots of different ephemeras, some cards. I use some of those. A bingo, kind of like a bingo card. Some circles, some tickets. And I made a card from some cut apart paper that I had in my stash for a long time. This background is a wood grain. So I just layered 2 doilies, one in red, one in white. Put the ephemera pieces up on some foam adhesive, and these were from a couple of years ago. I picked those up. They're erasers, so I just put them on top of the paper. And then here is some flowers here and a set of flowers there, and then just added 3 sets of gems. And that concluded that card. Now, I didn't do my signature on the back, and I haven't done the inside yet. just because I was just trying to get a lot done. So I figured I'd bring them back home and take care of those details. But that's the first card. And then the second one I made is from the Doodlebug Designs Odds and Ends ephemera pack. And oh my god, the pieces are just falling out. I'm going to have to put this into another bag. But this comes with 136 pieces of these little fun ephemera pieces that you can just make a million cards with, I'm so sure. So I just made this one really simple. This is this paper is from what is it called? Glam Gal from several years ago. So this is the opposite page, I think. Or is this the one that I bought a pack at Tuesday morning? And you know how you'll get one sheet, but you'll get 25 of them. That's what that was. So the opposite side of this is a set of lips, just lips all over. So I had it in my stash. I thought I'd use it. I just put it on some red card base and just use this little guy. I thought it was really cute, flying through the air with the banner that says Happy Valentine's Day. The mailbox with the mail just pouring out of it. So very, very cute, very colorful. I thought the background would really make these images pop out. So that was that card. And then I bought a box card set from Michael's a couple of weeks ago. And you could make 6 cards, and it was two designs. So this was one of the designs, and only thing you did, you got the card and you got the envelope. You just took out the images and you just used the adhesive foam that they provided and put it all together. Thought this was really cute too. Really simple. XOXO. Okay, so that came with 3 of those. And then the other part of the pack, the card was, and where is it at? Oh my goodness. Oh, here they go. And one of them I gave to one of the ladies at the crop, but it looked like this. So you get this gold background, and then you get this white cut out layout. What is this called? Like this layer piece to go on top, and you have this hard border. Glue that on, and then you get this sentiment with the leaves shooting out, which is really, really cute. And it came with an envelope. So when I gave it to one of the doctors that was at the crop, I went ahead and took care of the inside for her. And then my friend let me use a stamp, so I stamped that on the back. And then I used one of those Doodlebug little small stamps and put it in the corner. So really, really cute. So that also came with 3. So it was a fun crop, you guys. I do want to come back on sometime this week and do a tutorial on this here, if that's something you guys are interested in, and show you. And then at that time, I can show you the few other ones that I made. But yes, I had a great time. I can't wait to talk about it some more. I'm going to go now and pick up my daughter from the park and ride. But it was all fun. I'll go ahead and include the details of this these 3 projects down below. And certainly if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.